Welcome to the property launch video for 36 Meersbrook Avenue, which launches this Saturday on the 27th of January. Entering this three-storey property through a front-facing door, you come to a hallway. To the left is a staircase to the first floor with a spacious understair cupboard. Ahead is the entrance to a good-sized open-plan lounge and diner. The lounge boasts a feature fireplace with a log-burning fire. A bay window allows light to flood the room. The dining room currently sports a 6-seater dining table and still has ample space for entertaining. As with the nature of this house, a large window allows in plenty of light. Next to the lounger is the kitchen. The gas hob, electric oven and light-coloured country-style units topped of an oak effect wood surface provides plenty of storage as well as a light, airy look. A stainless-style back door completes this effect. Climbing the stairs to the first floor, we have bedroom 2 and bedroom 4. Both are good-sized double bedrooms. Bedroom 4 is currently being used as an office and gives access to the very chic bathroom. A 3-piece enamel bathroom suite as well as a corner shower cubicle and half-tiled walls give this bathroom an upscale look. To one wall we have floor-to-ceiling cupboards providing plenty of storage. Climbing the stairs to the second floor brings us to bedroom 3 and the master. Both similar in size, they would both be suitable for a double bed. Outside the property boasts a walled yard, giving plenty of privacy. Call the Preston Sheffield office now to secure your space for the property launch.